We are going to go to a news conference right now in Brunswick, Georgia on the Ahmaud Arbery case. That news conference is about to get underway. Let's take a listen.
This is a complicated matter. There are multiple law enforcement agencies and other things out there, and I don't know what all is going on, but it's a complicated situation. And all I can tell you is I can't say anything more about the case tonight. I could, but I won't. But I'll provide some kind of an update tomorrow at noon.
Sir, what prompted you to call us out here to hold this?
Well, obviously I expected that there would be something to talk about tonight, but there's not. And maybe that's my misunderstanding. And I'm not going to go into it beyond that. You know, part of the problem in this situation is it's so fluid and things are constantly in motion. And sometimes there are misunderstandings. I don't know. All I can tell you is I apologize that you're here. I respect the media and I respect your right to report. But there are just times and circumstances when the less said the better. And I just hope you'll be patient with us.
Can you talk about your communication with your client at this point, at least how
No.
he's doing today?
Oh, well, you know, Mr. Bryan was hoping to be able to sleep safely in his own bed tonight. I don't know where he'll be sleeping tonight. I don't want to know where he'll be tonight. Not that I don't care, but, you know, hopefully there'll be something to talk about in the morning.
You clearly thought this was going to be resolved today.
Well, hold on. I expected, obviously, you know, expectations, assumptions. You know what happens when we make assumptions. And all I could say is that I'll give an update at noon tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow will be a more productive, for you guys, a more productive day. And I apologize.
Will that be here at noon tomorrow?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
If that's a problem for the media, you all let me know. I mean, you all have been very kind and gracious to Mr. Bryan and I certainly want to, consistent with his rights, you know.
Clearly there was a bit of confusion, miscommunication, and somehow expecting some type of resolution, I believe possibly for the man who shot the video. This is the attorney who represents the gentleman known as Roddy. He is apparently, his attorney thought there would be some resolution between the investigators, possibly releasing him from any type of legal situation that could implicate him in the death of Ahmaud Arbery. The press conference will now be rescheduled to tomorrow at noon, and hopefully we'll get more information then. CBS 46, of course, is leading the coverage on the shooting death of Ahmaud Arbery. You can download the free CBS 46 streaming app for updates.